everybody, this is Liam from Liam Adams on this channel, and today I'm going to keep on playing Slime Rancher. And hi. This is the third episode. So, I've been capturing some slimes off camera last episode. I got everything I did. So, here's rock slimes. Oh, hey, hello. I have no idea what this thing is. You my tabby swine. So cute. So now I'm going to do something. Oh, I'm gonna go and get some food. Like my slime. Especially for tabbies and everything. And I learned how to run. Oh my god! How did this thing get here? What? Tar! Oh, it's evil. It's evil. Come here. Is it dead? Okay. That was a little bit weird. I think I've seen that thing. Like, I've seen this thing, Chaos. I had no idea what to do, so it's just really annoying. Like, is it a glitch? Oh, wait. Slimepedia. I'll use this. Pink slimes. Rock favorite? Wait, they have favorites? Okay. So I guess it's like my favorite food. Something special happens? Oh, what happens? They jump. They poop faster. I don't even know. Phosphorus slime. Oh, so this is a firefly thing. Get out. Oh, Tab, you adorable one, kitties. They eat Stonian and Largo. I guess that's the combining. And the tar. It's nice slimes and its favorite is Ranchers. Okay, I hate this thing. Now it's time to do things. Wait, so the rock slime's diet, it said it was veggies. So I guess that means that if I want to feed the rock slimes, they will only eat vegetables, like carrots. Oh, I just caught one. They're so cute. Ow! Ow. This game is like too adorable for me. Ouch. This game is pretty much too adorable for everyone. Ouch. That's the chicken! And we're at pogo fruits. That sounds ridiculous. Like, bounce on them like a pogo stick? This game is completely ridiculous. These Moshi Miles, the person who made this game, that's what I'm guessing. Because it says something about notch and everything in the Minecraft game, like when it's loading, so yeah. Ooh, what's this? This is the phosphorus slime, isn't it? Don't eat. Yay. I got a phosphorus slime. Like, phosphorus? That's a real thing. I wonder what's here. La 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 la. What? Oh my. Wee, phosphorus! Come here, phosphorus slimes. Oh, yeah. So, turn to go. Death. What? Who's this? Daddy Gordo. What? Wait a minute. Satan Slimepedia? The trusty slimy? Nothing. No Gordo. What do I do with this thing? What is this fat thing? Like it's a little bit scary. I feed it? Oh, I'll feed it. Here, eat it. Yep. Whoa. Ouch. Capture. Come on here. Yep. I guess I'm going to have to like get more things. I only have like 24 kinds of nothing. No, I guess like some slime hoops are more valuable than other slime hoops. Ouch. So I guess I should focus more on feeding some slimes than others, like less pink slimes, more rock slimes. There's pink slimes everywhere. Okay, there's these three phosphorus lines. So first, I got to feed these guys. I'm not gonna feed those guys, it just takes forever. So I'm gonna feed you guys. Here, it's time to eat. Here, kitty, kitty. No, not you, not you. I love you. I'm gonna feed you as quick as possible. Oi! Stop jumping! Why are you doing that? Why? You don't even eat vegetables. You're insane, Tabbies. You're crazy. Go back in there. You don't even eat vegetables. Eat! Yep. Yep. I guess I don't even have to get. Oh, wow. This is insanity. I don't want to die. I want to collect your poop. Thank you. I'm gonna die. I have like 10 health left. These guys are too crazy. It's hard to think that those guys eat vegetables when it seems to me that they eat dead people. That would make a lot more sense. So it says right here that pinks are not so valuable. Rocks are 28. This is 32, 31, 53, 66, 59, 48, and I have no idea what that is. Gold pin. Weird. Woo! I don't want to mess with the cat. Maybe I can make a coral. Oh boy, I captured a tabby sand. Get back in there! You two, bad. I'll feed you, but don't be so mad and sad. I want to, hey, go back in there right now, why not? You do not have the right to get out of there. Next up, you. But I'm gonna be careful because there's something that could probably happen that says it right here. Because the fireflies will be the okay. They come out at night, flying about the moon range on their thing. I think that at the port they will vanish if exposed to sunlight. We can lose a coral and phosphorus lines if they're not careful. Either wreck them for a day or keep also hide in a place that's perpetually dark like a cave. Okay then. I made a plus of this guy, I think. Things adorably cute. No, it happened. Just got confused. Whoa! So evil. I'm gonna find some more food and other things. Woods are pretty much worthless. Hey, is that another one? Wait, that's the it's a pink, and I'm assuming it's a pink Gordo slime. Just like that tabby one that we saw that I gave it 4 hands. So, pink slimes eat anything, any food. So I guess I can collect food and feed it all down that guy's mouth. This is gonna be awesome. Oi! I don't want to jump up and die. I'm gonna collect a bunch of foods. And there was something here, wasn't there? Oh. Oops, I I dropped the pogo. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Something bad's gonna happen. Take a swim. Ouch. What's it? Oh, there's some food. Can I pick up the food? No, Sony chip. I don't know why you would need that. Give some feedback, Gordo. Gimme your hen. What do you mean, like, loose row? No, loose tar! Loose row. So I guess I'll go down there and feed him. This place looks very safe, right? No, it's the opposite of safe. Oh, I thought he's sad, but he's happy. Oh, he's a pink Gordo. It eats everything. Yeah. See how much you can eat. See, there's some phosphorus slimes. Yeah, just kidding. We do him. She's already working on a moral piece. Hurry back, don't get eaten. This guy looks really fat and terrifying. Ouch! That guy could give me nightmares any day. He's not the kind of thing I'd want to look at in a dark alley. But then again, that's nothing. I would never want to look at anything in a dark alley because I'm stupid. I feel like there was something here. Ooh, I'll do something about it. Oh my god, I got no food for them. That was pretty much a real big fail. Oh, maybe I can collect these stray poops. I'm just gonna collect stray tail. Goodbye forever. Hooray, he's gone. I hate him. Just kidding. Wow! Don't come in here. I want to collect all of this stuff, not any of your faces. Not any of those. You mean fish. Wait a minute. Go back. Go pack, go pack, go pack, go. I don't know what this place is. Yay. Stop looking so evil, guys. I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing the whole point of the game. Oh, here it is. It's like right here seems like a really good place. Hey, is that a... Oh, a hole. And when you go in. Ouch. 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 Get out of my way. I don't know what's gonna be here. Death sign. You know what that always is. A sign of good! Let's go in here. Ah! What? Oh, they're so cute. Never mind, I retard you. You are retard. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. No. Never go in there. Never. Or I will murder my species. But then again, I think I'm the only one of my species on this whole island. There's like no other humans on this island. It's inhibited by weird-looking hens, weird-looking food. Well, like, there's only like one, two, normally like one, two, like 3 things on this planet that came from planet Earth. That's the carrots, the me, and that other vegetable that's in the game, which I forgot what it was called, but I know it's in the game. The okas, I forgot. The me, if I can sell these poops. It's time to eat. I gotta name this guy. How about Little Timmy? No, that's too bland a name that was overused too much. How about Jag? No. Dave? No. Oh, I know. Poop Eater. It's time to eat, Poopy. Oh God! Yeah, this time too hard. Eat this guy. Eat poop. Eat poop. Sometimes I wonder why that costs so much. Ow! Okay, it's time to collect your poops. First, I usually collect the rocks, then nothing can possibly more than oh. 5 little rocks, I'm jumping on bread. One falls off and becomes dead. La 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 la, my thinking is bad. I'm so stupid. Oh my God, I probably moved these rock slimes out. How did I collect 4 of these guys? Give me all your poop. I need your poop and no death for me. Don't let me get out. Ah! He escaped! Come here. I said, why are you so angry? You'll be angry if I give you a carrot, will you? There's a carrot. Are you hungry? You hungry? You're jumping for it. Ah! You're so evil. That was for him. Here you go. Here you go. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it! Oh, wait. There we go. Funny. Now give me all your poop! Yay, now let me collect you. I made you escape again. Go back in there. You're so cute and evil. Oh, you're a cute one. You're cute and not evil. The forces in this game are evil. There's so much evil in this game. I got a carrot for ya. No, give me everything. Now it's time to make these guys a home. I really need a place. So is there like anything that'll keep them from dying? Maybe there's high walls. No, that won't help. Music box. I don't know what agitation means. Internet. No. Solar field. Okay, this one. But I still need like 30 billion more money. Oh, I want all your monies! I mean, now I've got to move these guys. I have like more than 17 slimies in here. And I'm okay with the problem escape. Except for the Rocky Mountains. How did you get there? I know. I'll do an experiment. My experiment will either work out awesomely or I'll fail. I think it's probably gonna fail, but I'm gonna try it out. I have to feed my slime. What? I can just smell some slime bits. I'm gonna collect your poo. Oh, you just pooed in your mouth. Are you constipated? I'm gonna name this guy Mr. Constipation. And I'm gonna teach Mr. Constipation how to fly. You can fly, Mr. Constipation! Woo! Come here, Mr. Constipation. Fly! You can fly, Mr. Constipation. Slimes can float, right? You don't know what happens if you drop a slime into a sea. Slime sea. Slime's going to sponsor. Now, 27 plus 4 times 7 is going to equal more than enough to get me that thing I need. Now, no. You are not stealing anyone's food, so go back into the wild. Have fun! Not. Wait. I'm gonna try to guess their names. This is the cargo fruit. Love radish. And the square bear. Hey, how'd you come back? That's it. You're staying up here with the rest of the wilds. Maybe I can release a slime and then like a bunch of them, all the slimes that are there will be a combination. I'm going to make this place infested with tabby slimes. This is going to be amazingly amazing. Oops. Oh my god. Murdered tabby slime. If I release a tabby slime, then it might eat the pink slime's poop or eat its own poop, so another slime will eat that poop and it will morph into a tabby. I'm only gonna let free one, not you two. Oops! You, come here. Come here. You can have a life in a better place. And not in a locked closet. I don't know anymore. So if I just let the slime freely, and I'll feed it. Come here. Oh, are you hungry, tabby slime? Here, eat it. Oh no, he's fat and pink. Oh, I love you so much. You need something to eat, don't you? Don't you need something to eat? Don't you need something to eat? You need something to eat. Oh no, you're not hungry. I'm gonna leave you like forever and never talk to you again since you're weird. Oh well, you died. So now it's time to see if these foster slimies will survive. So, eat. Internet? No, solar shield. Let's see how this looks like. Looks like someone pooped all over it. Now let's put down these phosphorus. Oh wait, they can fly! How did I forget that? So I'm also going to need AirNet. Get back in there. Oh god. Yeah, this is pretty much gonna take forever. So I guess that was this whole video, episode 3. I'll make the next episode ASAP. Yeah. My mouse broke again. I have no choice but to end it right here.